The version 2 visor is kind of wider, so I don't need a wider visor, I need a here we can squat what's up, what's going on. And today in this video I'm gonna talk about how I installed the visor on my 135 especially. Now many of you were asking me in the comment section on different videos that how I got installed this 135 visor. Actually we all know that 135 doesn't come with a visor, and it's kind of a naked with a wind protection with this small visor. But this small visor is not kind of adequate when you especially use it for touring. So I thought, why not go for a different, classy type of visor that will help me out when I will be touring on this bike. So I installed this specific visor on my 135, and this specific visor came at a price of 240. Yes, a 240 RS visor from Yamaha Visor version 1. Yes, many of you have heard about that version 1 comes with a really long visor. You can see the visor height is this long, and the version 2 visor is kind of wider. So I don't need a wider visor, I need a taller visor for better wind protection. So I went for this visor, and I got this visor. I contacted the Yamaha authorized showroom in Kolkata, but they told me that they are out of the stock of this visor. And I contacted the Emma Auto in which is in Wellington, and I got it for 240. Now the challenge was to fit this visor. So to fit this visor, the visor comes with different 4 holes. You can see one over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. So if I fitted it like this, I mean these 4 fitting things, so the visor will, it will come a little bit down. It will come a little bit down, and it will not suit my bike. So what did I do? I got a drill machine, and I drilled at these 2 portions, and these 4 nut bolts and screws, this came for approx RS 60, and it's from you can get it from any authorized Bajaj showroom or any authorized Bajaj parts store. So first get this 4 and this thing also for a price of 240 rupees, and then just make 4 holes on the little visor which you have right here. Make 4 holes, and after that you have to fit it accordingly. With a labor charge of 100 you can easily do it. So without wasting any time, do this. If you use your 135 for touring and all, I use this bike for touring, and I have never complained about it. It has been a reliable kind of bike for all the years I have been using it. It has run almost 30,000 kilometers, and you people keep asking me about it, that how it's going, how it is, and many more questions. So I would like to show you the bit of the tires, especially because after 30,000 kilometers you can see the MRF zapper are in a good condition, and I think it will last for another 20,000 kilometers or more. Yes, the bike is getting a kind of dirty, but I like it, my bike, when it's dirty. So this is all about this visor installation scene, and I will be keeping this Ganesha right here, Weekend Riders logo, Weekend Riders written over here, and the link of YouTube, the link of Instagram, and the link of Facebook right here. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like it. Then show your support by hitting that like button, and subscribe my channel for such awesome videos. And also, most importantly, click the bell button. Click at the bell button so that you get notified whenever I put a video on my channel. So I hope you liked it. Take care, goodbye, ride safe.